In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause a subscription in Stripe. This is really useful if a customer wants to take a break from your service without fully canceling, or if you need to stop charges while you sort out an issue, but still keep the subscription record in place. First, make sure you're logged into your Stripe account. From there, head over to your Stripe Home dashboard. This is the main page you see after logging in, where you can view your overall activity, recent payments, and key metrics. Give the page a moment to load and double check that you're in the correct account or environment, especially if you also use Stripe's test mode. You want to be sure you're working in the right place before making any changes. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the navigation menu. Under the section labeled Products, you'll see an option called Billing. This might be displayed as a drop-down. Click on Billing to expand it. Billing is where Stripe keeps everything related to subscriptions, invoices, and recurring payments, so most subscription management tasks will start here. Once the billing section is open, click on Subscriptions. This will take you to a list of all the subscriptions associated with your account. On this page, you can see details like the customer, the status of each subscription, the price, and when it renews. If you have a lot of subscriptions, you can use the search bar or filters to quickly find the specific one you want to work with. Next, look for the subscription you want to pause. On the right side of that subscriptions row, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Actions menu. Click on those 3 dots. This will open a small menu with several options related to that subscription. From this menu, choose the option labeled Pause Payment Collection. This is Stripe's way of temporarily stopping charges for that subscription without canceling it outright. After you click this, Stripe may show you a confirmation dialog or additional options, such as when to resume payments. Review the information carefully, confirm your choice, and then save or apply the change. Once you've done that, the subscription will remain in Stripe, but Stripe will stop collecting payments until you decide to resume them. That's all you need to do to pause a subscription in Stripe.